Good afternoon, guys. New day, new vlog on your journey. Today I am here at your peace farm. Okay, guys.
Hi guys! Okay.
Now we are here at bird side. Here's our bird. And on the top side. Yan. Yan, okay lang dito. Wow, wow, wow.
Play the glass.
I can take a picture of you.
Oh my God.
Sir, your hands. Sa kamay, sir. Open hand. Open, sir. Open. Palm. Open your palm. Yan.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. So amazing. Right. No.
Yan.
The bird is so many.
Actually, do you know pili nut? The black one is one of their favorite foods is pili nut.
Huh?
Yes. Ganon kalakas yung beak nila na kaya nang i-open yung
I'm
pili
feeling
nut.
so scared, but it's fine. Having fun.
Tatanggalin niya yung salamin mo.
Mahilig sila sa mga makikintab na bagay.
Okay naman.
Okay na pa? Okay, thank you. Oh. Thank you. Dito lahat ano?
So now we are going to see something new, and that is I will show you, and you will guys like, oh my God. The peacock is so near to me, you can see. Bye. Bye-bye. Hi, buddy. Coming.
So in this area, we have a Celebes crested macaque, or they called macaca negra. This one is came from Indonesia. So in Indonesia, they called Indonesian monkey. This type of monkey is ano po siya, family po siya ng mga old world monkeys families or mga black apes. That's why they. And this type. Okay, sir. So in this area, we have a wood duck. So different types of wild ducks here. So we name it the wood duck po dahil sa chest ng ito, yung nandito, dahil sa chest niya na kulay parang wood. And actually they represent anxiety and depression. And also in the other side po, we have a black east in this duck. So same color po sila ng male and females, just look at the size. Kasi yung ano po, yung female is bigger than male.
Okay.
And also here, we have the tail duck. Actually, tail duck is agile flyer that they can fly up to 4,000 feet. So some of them, migratory birds, sir. So some of them bumabangga sa ng airplanes. That's why some of them they cause plane crash. Okay. And also ito po, Philippine owl or Philippine eagle owl. Pinangalan siya sa Philippine eagle dahil sa cans niya. But also local in the Philippines. And also in the other side here, we have the Rufous hornbill or Philippine hornbill, kalaw in Tagalog. Actually, tinatawag din po sila clock of the mountain kasi yung sound nila kayang umabot ng 1.5 kilometer. Ang ganyang sound, sir. Nag-show off no? And also meet the mandarin duck, also known as the rainbow duck. Actually, ginagamit sila sa marriage in other country. Usually in China po. They represent love and fidelity. Tinatawag pa rin sila na yuan yang. Yuan pag lalaki and yang pag babae po.
There you go, guys. White eagle. You can see 28 to 33 inches, 20-30 years. Southeast Asia, Australia. The white eagle here. I will show you one more.
Yan, this one po, this is a common eagle from coastal areas. Yan, sila po yung mga nagdadagit ng fish. And also they are territorial.
There is eagle.
Yeah.
So here you go, alpaca in Philippines. So alpaca here in Philippines. These three are female.
Let's go.
Warning, do not feed this kind of Mexican green agoinas. Oh my god. They are wild. So wild. Yellow-headed water lizard is there. And there have also snake. Ooh.
Let's go to the zebra na lang. Zebra.
These snakes just like my friends. Oh, nice. This one and this one remind me my friends who good in bite. Oh my god. Red Teagle. There's baby snake. Hi. Now we are going to see zebra and peacock and shittermurak. So hot. Oh, sheep. We see sheep. Oh, baby. Nice. Cute na baby. Oh. Baby na sheep. Oh, chicken. Brahma chicken. Brahma chicken. Chicken is so big. Wow. Soon, inshallah, we have also.
Pinaiksi lang po kasi ang kilala ng mga bata.
Tulog na siya.
Where else are we going to go?
There.
We're going to the ano, dog. You want to see the big dog?
Yes.
Oh.
Bye-bye, please.
Bye.
There's ostrich.
Bye-bye, capybara.
Let's go zebra side. There's a zebra also.
Ma'am, pakaisis po siya. Baka madala po siya.
Hi.
Ay, pang-picture.
Video ba?
Kahit picture. Ay, nakuha na na. Pa-picture. Ay, picture.
Hawakan din po nito.
There's ostrich and sheep.
Maintenance na check.
Yes, ma'am. Mga bet kami. Dalawa bet namin. In-house bet pa rin.
Chali!
Alaska, baby. Japanese Akita. What तेरी है ये? Parang galit siya? Ah?
Sir. Ano ba yun? May kagalit yan.
Hmm.
Galit, ha? May nakagalit yan, ha? Madumi.
Oh, garden here. This side is garden. Wool.
You touch Queen Eye.
The wool is so.
Your name is Queen Eye. Go. You touch it. Be gentle lang. Be gentle. Tulog na eh. Kanina pa po kasi sa umaga.
Talaga? Dapat pala dalawa, no?
Kuya.
Sige po.
So gentle and so soft.
Flat.
Yeah, fluffy.
Oh, sige ma'am. Kayo ng picture lang.
Auntie, sir tayo punta.